Hello, everyone. My name is Austin Harthorn. I'm an economist here at Nebraska Farm Bureau, and I'm here today briefly to walk you through how to go about claiming your property tax credits. Nebraska Farm Bureau is proud to advocate for our members and Nebraska agriculture as a whole. And a piece of that is advocating for much needed tax relief for our members. And some of that realized tax relief that we're seeing today is a 30% refund on property taxes paid towards schools and community colleges that can get back in the form of credits. What that looks like for Nebraskans, the average Nebraska farm owes around $30,000 in taxes each year. However, through this program, they're eligible for around $8,000 in tax credits, which is almost a 30% reduction in the total property tax bill. Looking at a home, a standard $250,000 home, based on the current tax system, they owe around $5,000 in property taxes each year. And they're eligible for over $1,000 in tax credits back, almost a 20%, over 20% reduction in property taxes. However, most of this needs to be claimed manually through filing this form that I'm about to talk about here. So let's get through that. It's very simple. All you're going to need is your property tax statement, which you see here, just an example, and Nebraska property tax credit form, Form PTC. To locate your property tax statement, if you don't already have it physically, you can find it online on this website. It's a great resource, nebraskataxesonline.us. Some of you probably pay your property taxes on this website as it is. But for those counties that are colored in, you can find your property tax statement online. For those that are white, they're not posted on this website. And if you don't have your physical property tax statement, contact your county treasurer and you can get a hold of that. So let's look at an example property tax statement here. This is an ag land property tax statement for rural Lancaster County, 152 acres, includes cropland and also includes the home site. We can see this property owes over $21,000 in taxes. And from that, they are already receiving almost $1,500 in automatic tax savings. This is from the Property Tax Credit Act of 2007 that stands to automatically reduce property taxes by a certain percentage. For those tax credits that you need to claim that will need to transfer over to Form PTC, we need those for community colleges and schools. So you can see this property is paying over $1,100 towards Southeast Community College and over $12,000 to Waverly Schools. And those are the items you will need for Form PTC. There's also these items down here, which include bonds and pensions. These will not apply to Form PTC, so we don't need to worry about those. Looking at Form PTC, you can transfer those dollar amounts over with the parcel ID number and repeat that. You can repeat this for each parcel if you have more than one. Add all those up and you can multiply it by 30%, as that is the percentage of tax relief that you are eligible for based on the school and community college property taxes that you're paying. And you can find the tax credit amounts that you stand to receive back. So for this property, it's over $4,000 in income tax credits. We can add this to the original $1,500 in automatic tax savings, and it's over $5,500 in total tax savings. Do you know this is just for this one parcel? If you have more than one, the tax dollar amounts will be larger. Let's look quickly at like a residential property, what that looks like comparatively. This is a Southeast Lincoln residence. It's a $258,000 home. They owe around $5,000 in taxes. They're saving $275 automatically through that 2007 property tax credit. And we can pull two items for Form PTC, the schools and the community college taxes. I'll transfer those over here, multiply by 30%, and you can find that this household stands to receive over $800 in income tax credits. Along with the 275 automatically, it's over $1,100 in total tax savings. And it's as simple as that. It's just as simple as filing this form along with your income tax statement, and you stand to receive these income tax credits. So this tax credit program started in 2020. If you did not claim your property tax credits from 2021 or 2020, you can still claim those. It's definitely not too late. All you'll have to do is file a very similar form. It's Form PTCX, which is on this website as well, and file those along with your PTC for this year with your income taxes, and you can stand to gain those as well. And just an overview here, the standard farm in Nebraska stands to see their taxes reduced by $8,000 and the standard homeowner, $1,000. Just as simple as filing this form along with your income taxes. So it's very much worth it, and we very much encourage you to do it. Well, this is great, and it's definitely a win for tax relief. Nebraska Farm Bureau knows it's just a start, and there's much needed tax relief needed going forward in the future. And we will continue to advocate for that and continue to advocate for Nebraska agriculture and our members overall. And we're very proud to do that.